Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use Raiffeisen Bank App. This is easy. The first step we need to do is open our App Store to download the app. We're gonna find we're gonna find Raiffeisen app in our browser, and then we're gonna download the app. Once we download the app, the first time we open, we're gonna see this information right here. To start to use this app, we're gonna click in this button called Got It, and we're gonna select this option called I am already a client. We're gonna click this option to uh, enter our phone number to access to the app. It's really easy to do. It's really easy to use also. I hope this video was helpful. Please comment and subscribe.